Hello everyone, my name is Stef and welcome to this video about trading the crypto markets, Bitcoin and the alts. Currently Bitcoin is pumping and the price is $12,300 and people are buying, and that's very great for the Bitcoin price. Currently I'm thinking that is a TD6, so we have 1 2 3 4 5, so we have a TD5 and it's going to the TD9 countdown, probably going to 300 or something dollars. And if you go on the monthly, you can see where that resistance is. So we have this monthly resistance, monthly close, so probably some of the bears will defend this 13,700, and that's where my long will go, and my long will be that 30,040k, and that's where I'm planning to sell some of my positions. So currently my positions are BTC long, BCH long, XRP long, LTC long, XLM long, Dash long, BNB long, IOTA long, BAT, Qtum. That's my exposure to the crypto markets, and that's how I trade. So let's see BCH. Why I want BCH? I think that BCH will go with this close. So this monthly close, it's $374, and if we go on the daily, you will see where it is. So currently my target for this is $400 and it will complete the bearish bet. The only the resistance I see is somewhere here at about $350, but I don't think that this is a clear resistance, because there is no, let's see on the weekly. On the weekly we don't see any resistance. Basically we see some candle wick down, and yeah, I have all exposure to ECH, also XRP. XRP, my target for this is $0.34, and that's where I'm taking my profits. And basically I think that the crypto market is very bullish, and people are buying the dips, and that's very great for the Bitcoin and the crypto markets. So as you can see, everything is green except for BAT USDT, which I think will go higher. Basically you see it's testing the previous support, and I'm thinking that this was a 1-2 and probably going to 0.4 somewhere here, where I'm going to sell. And that's for the quick update for you guys. Just going to see Ethereum USDT. Ethereum USDT, it's in a clear uptrend, and probably I'm seeing this as a correction, and the $480 is a very important zone for me, because if it goes above, you can see that it's the 0.5, and here is the zone for the resistance zone, and if it goes above, then yeah, there is no clear resistance to $550. So 0618 is very the golden zone is the magnet zone, where I plan to short some of Ethereum, because I think it's not going higher, not today, or I think it needs to chill and cool down, something like there needs to be a correction, because it went parabolic. And people ask me, what about live streaming? Do you live stream your trades? I can live stream my trades, but you need to give me when it's appropriate for you guys, and because we're living in not in the different time zones, we should see that is great for you and great for me. And that's why if you join my Discord, you can answer the poll, and that's when I will give you an answer when I will do the live streaming. So that's for the crypto markets overview. I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon, guys.